Welcome to my YouTube channel. Introducing the refrigerator mockup. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Let's discuss some of its features. Professional pre-made scenes. Great for your web design showcase. Product. Presentations. Advertising and much more. Realistic looking template files. Smart objects. High resolution. Photoshop version. CS5 or higher. Organized layers. Print quality 4500 by 3600 dpi. Professional perspectives, reflections, clean look. Reflections and shadow on separated layers. Well organized layers and folders. Fully layered, easy to use. Help file and video tutorial included. Thank you for watching.